Hare Krishna. So Ganga Stotram, text number 9. Rogam Shokam Tapam Papam Harame Bhagavati Kumati Kalapam Tribhuvana Sare Vasudha Hare Tomasi Gatir Mama Khalu Samsare. Rogam Shokam. Rogam means a disease. Shokam means anxiety or worries. Tapam means heat. Rogam, Shokam, Tapam, Papam. Papam means reaction of our own sinful activities. Oh Devi, oh Bhagavati, please take away Rogam, disease, Shokam, anxiety or worries, Tapam, heat, and also Papam, reaction of our own sinful activities. Rogam, Shokam, Tapam, Papam, Harame, please neutralize. Bhagavati, Kumati Kalapam. Kumati means wrong attitude also. Please take away all these Rogam, Shokam, disease, sorrow, anxiety, heat, reaction of sinful activities, and the wrong attitude. Please take away all this from me. Tribhuvana Sare, and you are the essence of the three worlds. Tribhuvana Sara, like a fruit's juice. The three worlds essence. It's Ganga, Ganga Devi. Vasudha Hare. Vasudha means another name of earth planet is Vasudha. So Vasudha Hare, you are like an ornament or necklace on the earth planet. Vasudha Hare. Tribhuvana Sare, Vasudha Hare, Tomasi Gadir Mama Khalu Samsare. Tomasi, for me, I am taking shelter of you, Mother, to cross over the ocean of samsara, the repeated ocean of birth and death. Rogam, Shokam, Papam, Tapam, Rogam, Shokam, Tapam, Papam, Harame Bhagavati, Kumati Kalapam, Tribhuvana Sare, Vasudha Hare, Tomasi Katir Mama Khalu Samsare. Angamayaki.